How to book Careem taxi in Dubai. If you want to book taxi from the Careem app in Dubai, it's rather quite simple. Just as how you would do it on any other location, open the Careem app, make sure that you log in to your account, and make sure that, by the way, you have already registered for it. Now there are two types of vehicle. The one is ride, the other is Hala Taxi. Just depending upon whichever it is you want, select a certain ride. Now you can go ahead and then type in your pickup location from where you want to be picked up. Or you can go ahead and then allow the location, and the Careem app will track you where you currently are. Then select the destination location. So from destination, of course, you can go ahead and then basically type in all of the other ones that you prefer. So let me first enter my particular city here, and once I've done that, I'll select it. In the destination, choose where you want to go. And once you've done that, you can tap on confirm pickup, and here you can see the ride details. There will be different type of ride along with different facilities. Depending upon the price that you're willing to pay, you can simply select it. You can book now, or you can schedule for later. Then tap the Yalla icon right there to be able to book the Careem taxi in Dubai. I hope the video helped you, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.